Hey there, travel enthusiasts. If you're a Chase Sapphire cardholder with points burning a hole in your pocket, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to transfer those valuable Chase Sapphire points to Marriott, unlocking a world of hotel stays, luxurious vacations, and incredible rewards. Whether you're planning a quick getaway or a dream trip, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring points like a pro in no time. First off, why bother transferring? Chase Sapphire points are incredibly flexible, and partnering with Marriott means you can turn your points into free nights at thousands of hotels worldwide. Plus, with a typical 1-to-1 transfer ratio for Chase Sapphire Preferred or Reserve cards, you're getting maximum value. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Chase account. Head over to the Chase website or open the Chase app on your phone. Make sure you're using the account linked to your Sapphire card. Once you're in, navigate to the Rewards, or Ultimate Rewards, section. It's usually front and center on the dashboard. Step 2. Look for the Transfer Points option. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of Chase's travel partners, including airlines and hotels like Marriott. Click on Marriott to select it as your transfer destination. Before you proceed, double-check your points balance to ensure you have enough for what you need. Remember, transfers are typically final, so no take-backs. Step 3. Enter the amount of points you want to transfer. Chase will show you the equivalent in Marriott points. Again, it's usually 1-to-1, but verify for your specific card. Review the details carefully, then hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. Processing times can vary, but it often happens instantly or within 24 hours. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Make sure your Marriott account is linked or ready to go, as you'll need it to use the transferred points. Also, consider any promotions. Chase sometimes offers bonus points for transfers, so timing can be key. And hey, if you're new to this, always check Chase's terms to avoid any surprises. There you have it, you've just learned how to seamlessly transfer your Chase Sapphire points to Marriott and start planning your next adventure. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your rewards. Safe travels, and see you in the next one.